welcome to ISC Computer Classes. In this class, we will be discussing about Armstrong number to check whether the number is Armstrong or not using Java program. So first of all, let us discuss its definition. An Armstrong number or narcissistic number is a positive integer which is equal to the sum of its own digits each raised to the power of the total number of digits. So, for example, 153. See, here the number of digits is 3. So, we have to raise each digit with the power of 3 and we have to take the sum of all. So, here 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 gives 1 plus 125 plus 27, which is equals to 153. So, 153 is an odd number. So, this is the logic behind it. So let us discuss with the program. So first of all, importing Java utility package. Now declaring class Armstrong. Here main functions public static void main string args. Declaring scanner class object. Printing the user to enter a number. Int n is equals to sc.nextInt. Giving the value to n variable. Now declaring two variable and both of integer data type. So one variable is arm. In this we will store the value of sum of all the digits a to the power of number of digits, and in d we will calculate the number of digits of the number. So we have started one loop. So for I is equals to n, I is greater than 0, I is equals to I divided by 10. So it will count the number of digits. Suppose 153 is a number, so 153 is greater than 0, d plus plus. Here the value of d at first is 0, so it will be incremented to 1. I is equals to I divided by 10. Now 15. 15 is greater than 0, d plus plus. Now here d, the value of d is equals to 2. Now again I is equals to I divided by 10. 1 is greater than 0, d plus plus means the value will be incremented to 3. Now exiting the loop. Since I is equals to I divided by 10, 1 divided by 10 gives 0, which is not greater than 0, so it will exit the loop. So after that, we had started another loop to calculate the sum of all the digits a to the power of the number of digits. So for int j equals n, j is greater than 0, j is equals to j divided by 10. See here I and j same type of loop, but here we will initialize its remainder value so as to calculate is power. So arm is equals to arm plus int c. Math.pow always give double variable, double value. So we have to typecast it. Otherwise it will give an error. So int math.pow j modulo 10 comma d. So let us discuss using dry run. So in this j is equals to 1 means 153. 153 is greater than 0. Mat.pow j modulo 10. C modulo always give remainder. So 153 divided by 10 gives 3. 3 to the power 3, because here the value of d gets incremented to 3. So 3. Again j is equals to j divided by 10. Now 15. 15 is greater than 0. J modulo 10 means 5. 5 raised to the power 3 gives 125. Arm is equals to arm plus, here 125 plus 3 to the power 3 means 9. 9 plus 125 gives 130. 3 to the power 3 gives 27. Alright. So 27 plus 125 will give 152. Alright. So 152. Now again j is equals to j divided by 10, which will give 1, and 1 modulo 10 gives remainder 1. 1 raised to the power 3. Now again 152 plus 1, arm is equals to arm plus. So 152 plus 1 gives 153. If n is equals to arm means, if n is equals to arm means 153 is equals to 153. then it will print that n plus is an Armstrong number. C backslash T is used for giving space, and else if it is not equal, then it will print it is not an Armstrong number, but in this case it is equal, so it will give it is an Armstrong number. Now let us run and check whether the code is working or not, and if there is an error, so giving the value 153, yes, 153 is an Armstrong number. Now again giving 121, no, it is a non Armstrong number. Now again let us give 1624, it is also not Armstrong number. Now let's recheck 1634, it is an Armstrong number. So the code is running successfully and it is giving correct output. So if you find this video interesting, you can like, share and subscribe, and if you want more such video, you can comment it down. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.